Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix YouTube Kids login problems. If this tutorial helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. First, tap and hold your YouTube Kids app, and then tap on More Info. Now select the Storage and Cache option. Here, tap on Clear Cache and then check if your YouTube Kids app lets you log in again. If it didn't work, come back here and tap on Clear Storage button and then tap on Delete. This should fix your login issues. Other thing you can do is to go back and force stop your app. Now let's go and check if it's working. As you can see, my YouTube Kids started working and I can easily log in or sign into my accounts. If yours still isn't working, open your Google Play Store and search for YouTube Kids. Make sure it's up to date. It's that simple. This was for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.